It's a nice day. It's a beautiful day. And what will go nice with a beautiful day? Gosh, man are talking fufuo with the soup. Gosh, how can we go a day without fufu? Look at the sky. Look at the sun one more time. Imagine the fufu being the sun, and then the sky is the soup around it. Gosh, this is how the fufu will greet the soup. Hey, look at the rib. This is the rib cage of goat. Yo, don't let the smoke go in the camera. Gosh. Courtesy to me mommy. Can my mom speak? Any sound?
Yes, mommy's just getting the fufu ready.
Oh yeah. Right. You know, I received some bad news the other day. I was watching some Ghana tags. Some beautiful women and men from Ghana. From the Kumasi region especially. Don't like fufu. Do you hear me? They don't like fufu. Where are you from? Was Asante Henny eating banku? What, he didn't like fufu? You go ask him now. Seriously. Let's go down to the soup one more time. Look at the soup. How can you say no to this? You're not Kumasi for if you can't look at this and have a mouth watering. It's impossible. Look at me again. So I ask you again, if you claim to be from Kumasi and you don't eat fufu and soup, please claim somewhere else. Yeah? You can't even claim Techimai because they eat fufu like crazy. That's what I have to say. If you're Asante from Kumasi and you don't like fufu, you can't claim it because the Asante Henny eat fufu right up from Osetutu, okay, to Prempe, right now to what's the new one called? Is he Prempe the second? Or was he? Well, I got the name wrong, but I'm pretty sure he eats fufu, and that's right. So start practicing fufu and make you big, strong. Too many of you girls are skinny. I'm not saying be fat, but you need enam, yeah? Flesh, hunam, ehon meaning around, nam meaning meat. Yeah, you need it for the big bum, but I don't want to get into that. And men need it for the muscle. Bottom line is, start eating fufu now. Otherwise, stop claiming Kumasi.